Hello everyone, I'm going to continue with another example from Annuities. This is another one that you weren't assigned. It's from page 418 and it's number 8. And in this question it says Lisa needs to repay a $12,000 debt. Her bank offers personal loans from 1 to 5 years at 9.25% per year, compounded monthly. So if I wanted to use the TVM calculator, I would go to fncalculator.com. I would click the TVM calculator option, it's the first one, and I'd put in what I know. In this case, she already has the money. She's borrowing $12,000. At the end of her payments, she wants to owe them $0. So she wants to have paid back that full $12,000. The rate, we can see from the question, is 9.25%. It is being compounded monthly. So we're going to double check that this drop-down menu is on monthly. And for the compounding periods, we are finding the monthly payment for a 3-year term. So 3 years of payments 12 times a year, that's 3 times 12, or 36 compounding periods. If I click the PMT button, it's going to tell me that she needs to make payments of $382.99 every month for 3 years, and then she'll have paid back her full $12,000 in debt. Again, this number is negative because that money is leaving you and going to the bank. Right now, she has $12,000 to spend, but she has to pay back $382.99 a month for 3 years. And then we can use that to help us figure out the total interest paid on the loan. So over here, if I want to figure out, I'm going to pause. Okay, so once we see what our payments are, we can come back over here and we can see that the total that she pays to the bank, she pays $382.99 36 times. So that's a total of $13,787.64 that she pays to the bank. But she only borrowed $12,000. So she's actually paying the bank back an extra $1,787.64. And that is the interest that she is paying, that Lisa is paying on her loan if she does monthly payments for 3 years. Now the next part of the question says, determine her payment if she chooses to make bi-weekly payments. So if we go back to our TVM calculator over here, it's still the same amount she's borrowing, $12,000. It's still the same future value, 0, because she's not, she wants to have paid off her debt at the end of 3 years. The annual rate is the same, but the periods are going to change because the compounding period is changing. We're going to bi-weekly compounding, which means that she's making 26 payments, okay, a payment every 2 weeks. 26 payments times 3 years is 78. So now she's got 78 compounding periods, and that's going to change the payments. If we click the payment button, we're going to see the payments are reduced by quite a lot. Now the payments are $176.45, but she pays them every 2 weeks instead of every month. Now, if we go back over to our slide here and we check that out, let's just make this big for a second. There we go. We can see that there's our $176.45 that she's paying. If we pay that much to the bank 78 times, we'll have paid the bank $13,763.10. And if we take away the amount of the initial investment, the principal, or the initial loan, it's $1,763.10. So she is paying less interest when she makes more frequent payments. Here she was paying $1,787.64, and if she makes more frequent payments, she's going to save herself some money in interest. Because if you pay bi-weekly, you're going to make 26 payments a year, so you're going to reduce the principal faster. And since the interest is calculated on the principal, that means the total interest paid is reduced. So that is our example there.